If there is one thing that is going up in the market today, it is the number of single-digit stocks out there. But are these stocks buying opportunities of a lifetime, or should investors avoid them like the plague? Joining us with his thoughts, Jon Najarian, co-founder of OptionMonster.com, as well as a Fast Money contributor. Jon, great to have you with us.
Great to be here, Melissa. Thank you.
You look at that growing number of single-digit stocks out there. Are there any screaming buys in your view?
There are. In fact, I don't really care about the price level of stocks, of course, as much as the action in the accumulation of these shares. But if you took a look just 2-3 weeks ago at YRCW, this was a stock that was trading at $2.50. Logistics and trucking, of course, that's their game. And the stock popped to $5. While that's a 100% return over a 2-week period, that's great. When you look at the options and what they returned, several 100%, 300% or more on those same trades, Melissa, I think they make for some compelling investments. So that was what was in the rearview mirror. Right now, what I would take a look at are stocks like Canadian Solar, CSIQ. Given that we've got the new Obama administration in and starting to do what they've said they're going to do, and pushing us more towards green energy, I think a stock trading at $4.25 is dirt cheap. And if you look at, for instance, buying that stock, Canadian Solar, at $4.25 and selling the just out of the money call for $1.20, that's the $5 call out in March, I think you're looking at moving the odds significantly into your favor. So it's not just because stocks are cheap and single-digit stocks that make them attractive to me. It's whether or not there are opportunities either in putting on an option spread or perhaps owning the stock and protecting it with a very pumped-up option that is nice and fat right now. And I think that the volatilities with the recent recovery in volatility have made these plays much more attractive over the short term.
We have time for one more idea if you have one.
Sure. I'd say, Mark, take a look at Discover Financial, DFS. I mean, if you look at this one again, spin-off from Morgan Stanley, credit cards, yeah, that's exposure, but look at where the stock is trading. And again, look at buying that stock and selling an option against it. I think you can really jack up your returns because of that. And those are the kind of plays that we're looking at right now.
Okay, Jon, got to leave it there. Thanks so much for your time and your ideas.
Thank you,
Jon
Melissa.
Najarian.
Thanks, Mark.